There's nothing like a good cup of coffee to start the day with, right? It's Sahar here, and I'm about to tell you something you might not know about coffee. Did you know that coffee cup readings, also known as Tasseography, has its roots far back in history? It started with the mystics in Arabia and became popular during the Ottoman Empire. It's fascinating how people from ancient times used the pattern in the coffee grounds to find insight and wisdom. In fact, we do have a coffee saint. Here's how it works. After you enjoy your coffee, the leftover grounds create shapes and patterns in your cup. These patterns can weave a story about you, your life's journey, and what might lie ahead. Each reading is unique, just as you are. It's an intuitive way to explore life's mysteries. It's like a personal roadmap to help guide you. Whether you're seeking clarity, answers, or just a little bit of uncovering mystery, coffee cup readings offer some truly intriguing insights. So, if you're interested in finding out what your coffee cup has to say, comment "I won" and I'll send you the link for more information. Let's find out what story your coffee cup grounds are telling you. I look forward to hearing from you. Let's start this journey together.